So we arrived at Avis. We got a car to pick because we're leaving New York. Like I said, we're leaving New York. So this is where we're gonna pick the car. Hopefully we get something nice.
Have your paperwork?
Yep. Thank you. How your day going?
Yeah, it's been going. I just started my day.
All right.
Yeah.
Until when?
Till 11.
Till 11. That's the ticket, right?
Yeah, so you don't need to worry about it. First day before you pick up.
Yeah.
And it's 9 a.m.
Yeah, so this is not hers. All right.
All right, good to go.
Thank you. Where are you from? You Senegal?
Gambia.
Gambia. Oh, all right.
You?
From Congo in Senegal.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All right, take care. We got a brand new car. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, YouTube. We made it already so far. And so, yeah, take a look. I wanted this one, but this one is too big. No, it's not too big, but unfortunately, we got a smaller one. This one is huge. I really like that. So we're going to take this one and we're going to go far away from New York because we ain't got no money yet. We're so broke. No, I'm playing. So I'm a drive. Hopefully, nothing's gonna happen to us. But yeah. Oh, we need to take up like luggage. We're going back to the hotel to take our luggage. We're going somewhere. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, let's go. So this is my first time driving. I don't even understand the signals. We're going to places with that. Oh my God! Stop the car! Please stop the car! Sorry. But yeah, I'm a driver now. We are under the water. So if the tunnel like went down, we fucked. Right?
Yeah, we are.
First time driving in New York, in the other state, in the other country actually.
Cap.
Welcome to New Jersey. Yeah. So far we're stuck in the traffic. I feel like I'm in Paris. And this is not looking good. I mean, like the houses and stuff like that. This is not like New York City, like New York. I'm not used to that. But part of the game though, I don't care. But yeah, we got 2 hours and 35 minutes left. Maybe we're going to stop to eat something, I don't know. You got something to say?
Me?
Yep.
Yeah, so I gotta say that besides New York, things are not pretty exciting and pretty to see, because I mean, New York brings kind of magic emotions, and then you got the real America. So it's, I mean, if you like New York, doesn't mean that you like America.
Yeah, this is like...
Mo, do you have something to say?
This is like, I don't know what to tell, but there's no much, like, we need colors and stuff like that. Maybe we're used to New York because there is a lot of lights and stuff like that. Maybe that's why we saw like, this is not giving, like, I don't know. But we might see. Oh, this is the first time she's going to drive a manual, automatic. Sorry. Oh my days, we're going to die. We might die. So we had to stop because we're angry. So we're actually at Wendy's. This is the first time we're going there. Never tried Wendy's, and yeah, the weather's not that good. It's cold and raining, and yeah, that's our car, you know, peep the car. Yeah. That wasn't plain. We want to eat that. Maybe something slight, like nothing too expensive, you know what I'm saying? So, that is the menu. Yup.
It's size, yes. Choice?
I'm gonna try this burger, I think. I'm gonna try this one. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Thanks. This is the meal we're going to take, like drinks. This is free. Which one do you want, man?
Cool.
Regular one. Which one?
Sherry.
This one?
Okay.
Look at the color, man. What the hell? Look at this color, man. This is crazy. You wanna try? Oh, I'm gonna try.
Try. Good? No?
Yeah, but we can taste like a lot of cherry on.
This one there?
Oh, come on now. So me, I'm gonna get a regular one.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's better. We took the smaller one and you can refill it anytime you want. So I think this is better. Like if you pay for the last one, you're paying for a big cup, but you can refill it. Like it doesn't make sense. You want any sauce?
Yes, please. I want ketchup.
Yeah, so let me take the plates because you got the camera. Yep. There you go.
Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Yes.
Hey.
Coca cherry.
Yeah. Taste. Yeah. Taste.
Cherry.
Look at the color.
Yeah, the color is different. It's worst.
And this one is a regular one. Not that good.
Sugar.
Too much sugar.
Yeah.
Let me try this. Yeah, I didn't try. Yeah, I like sugar, so you want to try sugar?
I like sugar. Oh, shit.
So I try this barbecue sauce. This is so disgusting. Sorry, the food is not disgusting, but yeah, not taste good.
No.
But this one,
Different?
the Wendy one, yeah, it's better. That's better. Like I prefer the barbecue sauce from McDonald's. This one is in ketchup. This is obviously the classic. Pudding, yep. So I'm gonna try the burger. Wendy's burger. I need to say that. I'm gonna put some ketchup. I'm gonna try. Yeah, this is made like we got same burgers in Paris. Try?
Thank you. Yeah, it's a basic cheeseburger.
Yeah, a basic one. Like nothing crazy.
It's like the meat doesn't have any taste.
Yeah.
It's all the sauce.
But the cheese is cheesing.
Yeah, it's all the sauce and the cheese that give taste to the burger.
Yeah.
But I feel like the meat doesn't taste really good.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 out of 10.
Even 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where we're going to stay. We're out of New York. Oh, this is the gambling place. That's crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna care about that.
Are you here for 3 nights, 2 queen beds?
Yeah, let me check. Yeah, 3 nights, yeah. Oh, shit. What are you guys waiting for? You gotta go. Yeah, I gotta go. This is huge. Huge. Smell nice, fresh and clean. You dig? One ends. This is us? This is us?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Be my guest.
Thanks, bro. Oh, big. Oh, stop. Okay. Oh,
Just like,
shit.
oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Je sais plus rond que moi.
Oh, shit.
Where's the light?
Okay.
Where's the light? Yeah. This is big as fuck. There's something?
Oh, shit.
Let me try to see. There is no light. Like, come on now.
I mean, we can't find it.
Yeah, where's the light though? I ain't gonna care. This is not this one. Where's the? I'm gonna show you there. I'm gonna show you there. That's crazy. That's the shirt. Yo, guys, I'm Mr. Painful shit. You feel me? I ain't playing. That's the bathroom, toilet, that's the restroom, bathroom. That's crazy, y'all. Like you can spend your time here, and yeah, that's crazy. But we don't even know where. Like. So this is the room, y'all. 2 big queen beds. A is already here.
Night, people. Have you seen how the room is? How big the room is?
Peep the room. We can run in this bitch. I'm telling you, this is a huge TV, and this is where we can store our luggage. Yup. And obviously, like I said, this is like the bathroom. Got the tub here, the sink, and this is the bathroom, like the toilet, the restroom. But yeah. So, guys, I'm gonna tell y'all the real opinion about this. I don't know if y'all see me, can see me, yeah. So this is like better than where we was. Like, so is a nice, like little area, like type shit. This is in the main city, New York City. But here, this is far away from everywhere. But god damn, look at this room. I feel like I'm rich. I'm already rich, though. But yeah, that's our place. I'm gonna show y'all everything about the lobby, about the gambling stuff and casino. Yeah, and you can swim, but there is a lot of people, so you're gonna swim with them. So we're going to be naked in front of people.
You're not going to be naked.
Yeah, I'll be naked, but back in Paris, public like swimming pool. Feel like that.
Yeah.
But I'm Mr. Payful shit, so I'm gonna reserve the place for us. We're going to swim by ourselves. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we're going to set up everything, and I'm gonna see ya later on. Oh, whoa. So they play music over there.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
This is really huge. Like, feel like a city in this hotel, like in this resort.
No, okay.
If you want to play something, like go there. It's too bad. Obviously, it's empty. Like, we came late. But most of the people, they came here to eat and stuff like that. This is the pool. The pool is inside, but this is dark, so we cannot see that. Oh, this is the fitness, like when you can go to the gym. So I'm gonna try to see the hours because I'm trying to work out. Fitness center open 24 hours. Room key required for entry. guess under 16 must be accountable. All right, bet. So we guys need only a key card to go in there. And actually there's someone, I think. Yep, there's someone. Yo, guys. After 3 days, I can finally work. Because the TV when we wasn't letting me connect my Mac Mini to the TV, but now I can do that. So I'm gonna work. I'm gonna edit some pictures and I'm gonna edit some videos because I gotta work. I gotta make content for y'all. But yeah, so everyone is on the computer, laptop. I don't know what the fuck. But yeah, we both working. And yeah, I'm pretty tired, but I gotta do that.